Hello everybody, welcome back to From Rhythm to Algorithm. We continue on with our derivation of sensoriality, looking for our stabilizing linguistics, the sequence of letters that will show the direct iteration of sensoriality, stabilizing it as an axiom. Love is unconditional. Unconditional is absolute. Sensoriality is absolutality. Completely is absolutely. Sensoriality triples. Sensoriality is tripality. Trip, trap. A trap is a snare. A trap or a snare is a sensor. A trap is a sensor. A banner is a ribbon. A canteen is a container. Banter is playful. Sensorality cups. Sensorality is a cup. Another one of those interesting words, right? Cupboard, right? If you put your cups on a board, you have a cupboard. Just a word you say in English, but you don't really kind of think about it, and it's like, what? Like, why does that pronunciation go from cupboard to cupboards? But it does. To cup is to cradle. A canteen is a vase. So another one, this is proof by every museum that has ever existed, right? You go in there, oh, it's a vase. Oh, no, it's a vase. Oh, it's a base, right? Vase and base are, again, that fundamental iteration. Like in Spanish, you have V pronounced as a B. It's just representative of that iteration. And then vases or vases or bases or whatever you want to call it is a canteen, right? It stores water, and they're just all over the place in museums. Circling contains. Sensorality circles. Circle, icicle. Again, I know we've already done some of these, but again, I'm presenting them, and I'm still skipping, like, I'm not skipping a bunch of steps, but containing the logic within other theorems, because you do hit redundancies. What is repetition to iteration? Sensorality centerates. That's kind of, I made a jump, I didn't write down iterate, but iterate, centerate, sensorality centerates. And again, just like fluency is influential, right? That the letter Y with the sound E, it's kind of like the generalizing, or it's like open. You use it as the likeness bias. That's table E. It's a lamp, that's lamp E. That's happy. But it's like logically open. And so the natural definitions, fluency is influential, right? You get that T, fluent, right? T and D, like typically like the ending, like the truncating portions of words, the ends of words. And so sensorality centerates, trying to find this, again, this connecting, the stabilizing linguistics for sensorality is this natural form that we just have to connect it out in the wild. Sensorality sentates. Sensorality sentiates. Sentiality is essential. So now we can call this logical renormalization, right? Sentiality, we just derived that all the way from sensorality. That's part, one, look at all the previous episodes. But it's still not specific enough that it is a natural definition. Sensorality is sentiality. Sentiality is essential, right? So we've derived the natural form of essentiality. And that's, I would, again, call that logical linguistical renormalization. All of the letters and stuff we've set up to now, we've self-contained within the proof. So that's where we're at with linguistics and logic. You could pretty much just not watch any previous episode, and it's self-contained with, if you know what the word essential means, it's another form of sensorality. Sentiality is essential. Senseis are sentias. And so now this, again, when you say sensei, I'm sure without even thinking about it, you heard kind of like a male connotation. And then so sentias, right, now we've connected that to, again, it's another form of sensei. I've never really heard it said out loud, but it's the same thing, but for females. So senseis are sentias. And we've kind of connected that, some sort of pairing. I don't know, again, what language it comes from, if any language, or if it's just, again, the order of the letters. But that EIS to IAS. And you typically, again, conjugate verbs or words, gender agreement, A being female. So we've derived that. Sensorality is a requirement. All right, requirements are essential. So now, again, logically, we've renormalized. And you can say if something is essential, it's required. So now all of that logic is still contained within requirement. We pair that up with sensorality. Sensorality is requirement. Require, inquire. Sensoriality is inquirality. Sensoriality is quirkality. Again, quire to quirk. Quirky is special. Remember, sensoriality contains the entire and complete definition of speciality. Quirk, quack. If it walks like a duck and talks like a duck, it's a quack. Right? A quack is crazy. To irk is to irritate. Forget, right? Intuitively, we all know what it means to forget something. Linguistically, it's a really odd representation, right? Forget, right? Forget, forego. To forego is to pass. Now you add ing. Sensoriality is foregoing. What is completeness to permeability? Permeability is permissibility. Sensoriality is permissibility. Right? See how that logic is still self-contained? If you're permissible, if it's allowed, it's still a logical form of censorship. Permission is approval. So now again, like 3, 4, 5, whatever episodes ago, we derived emission. Right now, permission is a iteration of emission. Right? It's permeating or something. Again, like the logic is building, literally. Sensoriality, permission is approval, sensoriality proves. Sensoriality is approvality. Sensoriality improves. Essentiality establishes. So now again, remember, we're looking for the stabilizing linguistics of sensoriality, right? Essentiality was our logical renormalization. Establishes, right? There's the stability, literally establish. Essentiality establishes. Sensoriality is establishment. So we've got to be getting close. Again, my constitutional rights continue to be violated. I do not eat properly. I do not sleep properly. Being deprived of my constitutional rights takes away the ability to feel safe. It is that simple. If you do not feel safe, you cannot eat, you cannot sleep, you cannot function to any capacity. You cannot feel happiness at all, period. And so I continue to just articulate how profoundly I am being tortured. Absolutely nobody cares. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.